This is CKA exam 29. We have this static code called web static. Image used is busybox. It is currently running on worker node 8. We need to move it to node 7, and we don't really have to change anything else in the code. Static code name should be changed from web static code node 8 to web static node 7. So let's just get inside the environment and we get codes. As we can see, web static node 8 is running there. And in such cases, we need to identify a directory where we need to place the YAML files for any code that runs as a static code. So let's just jump inside node 8. And then we will just find out that particular directory and YAML file, and we will place this YAML file to node 7, and then we will remove it from the node 8. So that's the course that we would be following. So vagrant sh node 8 should let me inside node 8. Right. Now, to check exactly where my static code directory is, I need to identify the config file for kubelet. That we can identify from the running environment itself. ps-ef grep kubelet. So if we run this command, we can find a config directory which is var lib kubelet config YAML. And if we get inside this file, sudo ls in this directory kubelet and config YAML config.yaml, which is there. We just need to identify our static directory where the configuration or YAML files for static codes are to be placed. That's how we make static codes. So just check for static inside it. In the exam, it is possible that they will change this location. So we need to ensure that we know the process how to identify this particular path. So sudo ls in this directory, you can see web static is available there. Let's just copy this directly from this machine to node 7. So we will just say sudo sct, and that means we are running it as root, and then we will place our web static YAML to node 7 home directory. So for root, I have set password vagrant. You can also use the setup. If you didn't use it, you can make use of it. I have created a video. You just need to run vagrant up, and the same configuration of whatever cluster I am working right now, you can get exactly the same in any of the platform, Linux, Mac, Windows. So let's just get inside our node 7 now, sh node 7. And here I got my file here. Basically, this is not the file. Actually, I copied it as root, so it is inside my root directory. For that, I'm doing sudo -i, and then if I check, web static is there. Now I need to identify what is the static directory here. For that, I need to run the same command, psef grep kubelet. Kubelet. And I know this is also same because I didn't change it. In exam, we can expect that it might be changed here. Let's just identify our static directory from this config file. So grab program tools and just saying -i static and then var lib kubelet and config. You can see it's same as earlier. Only thing is you need to know how to get it. So cp our web static to etc kubernetes manifest and script. Now let me check if it is copied or not. etc kubernetes manifest and it is there. This is it. Now we just need to check whether our code was created successfully or not. So let's just jump inside my button as such. Sorry, I'm jumping into our control node, which is node 6. And here we will check what is the status. Alias G is equal to QCTL and G is codes. You can see just now some code is created 45 seconds. Just now age is 45 seconds. So let's just remove whatever we have kept inside node 8. For that I'm exiting from here, and now we are on node 7, now on node 8. So sudo rum and etc kubernetes manifest, and this is my file. If we remove this, this will remove the port. We are done. Let's just get back. We are here, and let's just check get codes. See, it is still running, but let's check how long. So we can expect within few seconds, we can expect that web static node 8 would be removed. So let's keep an eye on it, and I will, yeah, as you can see, it is terminating it, and that's what is expected. Now if I say get codes, and it's only one code running. That's what is expected as part of the question. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See you guys.